shall we start, guys? Can anyone share your screen opening UiPath? And what is the topic that we are going to discuss today, guys?
Arrays, right?
Any idea of the topics that we are going to discuss?
Arrays.
Arrays. Okay, what do you mean by array? Array. Can anyone explain what is array?
It would be a collection of objects
Okay.
or a list of
Group of
objects.
variables.
Just hold on. Let me open up a notepad. Okay. Okay, what do you mean by array? Any idea? Array is nothing but collection of similar data types, right?
Your voice is a little bit breaking. Can you speak loud, Sayed?
Okay now, Shisha?
Yes. Yes.
Super. Array is nothing but a collection of similar data types.
Okay.
Data types. Okay. So if you see means in a string you will be able to see able to store only one value, right?
Yes.
String means you can store like this.
No, I'm not getting. I'm not getting your voice, Sayed.
Is that okay now, Shisha?
Yeah, I
Virat,
mean when
are
you
you
are
able to-
saying the topic, it is breaking.
Okay, Virat, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes,
Virat,
I'm able to hear you.
What, Virat?
Hello.
Yes, Virat.
Yes, I'm able to hear you.
Okay. String means we will be stored like this, right? We will be able to store only one value in a string. But in array, we can
Yes.
store multiple values. Okay, let me
Okay.
open up a new process. And the name of the process is day 2. Day 3, right? Day 3. Okay, let me create it. Virat, what I can do is I will give you control, Virat. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to create a variable. Okay. Create a array. Create a string variable. The name of the variable is test1 and the value is RPA batch 6. Hello?
Yes.
Virat, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, I'm able to hear you properly.
Srisha?
Yes, Sayed.
Okay. Because I'm not able to hear you guys. I don't know whether you are hearing my voice or not.
Yeah.
We
It's
are
audible.
able to hear you, sir.
So let's talk about array. Array means collection of similar data. Similar data. Guys, whenever you got a doubt, so please just give me a call, okay?
Sure.
Okay, let me open okay, Virat, I will share you the control. Okay, what I want to do is I want you to create a variable with the name test1. You have the controls, Virat.
Okay.
Okay, you have the controls, Virat. Just create a variable with the name test1. How can you do that? Okay, just first create a sequence. First drag a sequence. Virat.
Yeah, hello, Sahil.
Yeah, yes, Virat. I think you got disconnected, right?
Yeah, so
Okay, no problem. Virat, just drag a sequence first.
allow me remote access to that another.
Yeah, I just
I just requested remote. Okay.
Okay. Now create a variable. So what are the two possible ways we can create a variable base?
One is here.
Okay. One. Okay. And the value of test one is RPA batch 6.
What was that again?
RPA batch 6.
RPA batch 6.
Yeah, yes.
Slow, just a second. What was that RPA?
Batch 6.
Batch 6. Okay. Okay. Srisha, how many values did Virat store here in test one?
How many variables?
No, Srisha, what I'm asking is how many values did Virat store in test one?
2.
1. Because double quote is our count, right?
Yes.
So what happens if I put a comma here? Put a
Okay.
comma and try to store another value as something. What is the error it is showing? End of expression.
Error encounter process.
So for this type of, in order to store multiple values in a single variable, we are going for a concept called as arrays. Okay. Let me create another variable as test. And the variable type is, are you able to see this array of T? Just click on it.
Yes.
And here it will be string. So it is array of strings. Okay, let me drag another assign. S2. We have to start our array with the parenthesis followed by Shirisha. Virat. Sayed. So how many values I stored here, guys?
3.
Super. So how can I get a specific value from this?
You want a specific name from these 3 names?
What, Srisha?
I mean, you want the specific name of what you entered in
Okay.
argument?
Okay. So I want you guys to remember this. Okay. The array index will be always starts from 0.
Okay.
Okay, means Srisha will be the 0th index and Virat will be my first index and Sayed will be my second index. Okay. So in order to call a particular variable, array value, what we are supposed to do is we have to do like this case.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. So let me drag a message box activity.
Okay.
And I am just trying to call this dot. So what will be my output here? Guys? Any idea? Virat and Srisha, any idea?
It will return the number of items in the array.
Okay. How many values I entered here?
3.
So what will be my output?
3.
Super. It will be 3. Are we able to get the 3 as my count? Are you able to see this, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the next thing is we are trying to get a particular value. So for that, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to go with first of 1. So what will be my possible output?
It will be
Virat.
Virat.
How it is Virat? 1 means Srisha, right?
No, 0 is Sirisha. Virat is 1. So Sayed is 2. So it will display Virat name.
Super. So the array index will always start from 0. Okay.
0. Yes.
Super, Virat. Okay, guys, I am giving you another scenario. Is that possible to store an integer inside an array of strings? So I am
No.
just mentioning like, is that possible?
No, Sayed.
No, why? Because are you able to see this? Cannot infer element type because more than one type is not possible. Can you read this now?
Yeah.
What is array? Array.
It's a collection of
Similar
similar.
Similar data type, right? So that's why we are able to store only array. Array of strings means we are able to store only strings, not integers. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay.
So this is called array. Okay. Now we are going to talk about how to get each and every element that is present in an array. So if we are going for array or anything means we are supposed to use a concept called for each. At what instance we can use for each? So I am telling like for each Wednesday night we will be having a class. Okay, what is the meaning of this for each there?
Mm,
Every Wednesday we have class.
So like
Yeah, tell me Virat. What is the use of for each there? I'm telling like for each and every for each Thursday, sorry, for each Wednesday, we are having a class. So what is the purpose of
yeah,
using for each there?
so for each is searching for a particular value.
Okay, are you sure?
So for each,
Uh, Virat, your voice is yelling a little.
yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah, yes, Virat, you are right. What is the use of for each?
So for each is basically searching for a particular value. So for each of this item, look for when the Wednesday comes, you can do the class.
Super. Srisha, what is the use of for each, Srisha? I'm telling like for each and every Saturday we are having a class. So what is the use of for each there in that
So
particular
it is
student?
searching for each Saturday. Is I mean the class is there, so it is searching for each Saturday.
Okay. So the similar concept here as well in the for each. Okay. So if I give for each and every element in test 2, so what I am going to do is I am going to display the result. So I am going to give actually for each and every element in this particular test 2 means if I put like item means what happens? Any idea what will be the output? Brat and Srisha, any idea regarding this output?
No, Sayed.
Okay.
It will display all the list.
It will display the output one by one.
Yes.
So Srisha,
Mhm.
Virat, Sayed. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Any doubts you have in this, Srisha?
No, Sayed.
So what happens if I add RPA here? What will be the count value?
4.
Now,
Um,
3. Oh,
You mean the index value or the count value?
no, I'm asking the count.
Oh, yeah, count would be 5.
Okay. So what is the index of RPA?
Index
4.
3.
What? 3,
4.
right? How it is for
3.
Srisha? I'm asking the index value.
0, 1.
Okay, 3 is my
Yeah.
index value,
I
right?
mean, yes.
Okay. Then what is the okay? What do you mean by array of integers? Any idea, guys? So I'm going to create another variable that is 3. Then here the variable type I'm going to mention is array of t followed by integer 32. Okay. So I'm going to create another variable with the value test3. Test3. Okay. So let me give some values. So it is an array of integers. So I am giving like the parentheses 1, 45, 67, 25, 45. Okay. So this is my array of strings. So here if you see means object is there, right? So you have to choose it as integer 32 and int is 3. What happens if I try to divide my item by 2? Any idea, guys? Hello?
Yes, it will take all the, I mean, what all the index numbers by 2.
When 1 minute, Srisha.
There are five integers, right? So it will take 5 by 2. Does it take
Yeah.
5 by 2?
48, 34, 28. Okay. So I am going to okay. So what will be the output base here? Item divided by 2. Any idea? Virat and Srisha.
Yeah, the item is checking in test 3, right? So
Okay.
it will take the integers and it will
Okay.
divide by
What will,
2.
so what happens in the first iteration? The first iteration it will be 1 divided by 2. In the second iteration it will be 45 divided by 2, right?
Yes.
For each and every element, it will do the specific action, whatever we mention inside the for each. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me run the file, guys. Let's see how the output will be. 0.5, then 22.5,
5.
23.5, 70, 22.5, 24, 17, 14. Okay. So now I am going to okay. Let me give like of what will be my output here? Cannot just okay. What will be my output here? This performance on gates item percentage 2. So what will be my output?
Item percentage 2.
Um, divide everything by 2.
It will
If
take the integer percentage. It's going somewhere.
So if I do like this means item dot get type, so it will return the type of the particular variable. So it is system dot integer 32, system dot integer 32, system dot integer 32. Now what I am going to do is I am going to do like this item divided by dot get type. So let me run this file. We will see what will be the output. System dot double. Previously it is integer, right? Now why it is the system
Yes.
dot double?
Because of the
Any idea?
decimal value.
Come again, Virat.
Decimal value.
Because it is a decimal value, right? Okay. So what do you mean by if condition? Any idea? So I want to check whether this number is an odd number or even number. How can I do that?
Do we have if else? Oh, yeah.
So if the particular condition is true means it will enter into the then part. If the particular condition is false means it will enter into the else part. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to enter like item get type
Is equal to maybe
equal to system double.
so do we need to mention this system dot double or can we just do double object? We cannot call double directly.
Yeah, we can call double directly. Okay, what is the meaning behind this, guys? What is the use of dot full? Any idea?
So it converts into a string
Okay.
and then saying if that string contains a dot.
Okay. So the logic behind this is first thing is I am trying to convert item by two dot to string means it will be converted into string, right? Then I will check whether there is a dot is present in that particular string or not. If dot is present means it is a even number, it is odd number, right?
Okay.
Odd number. Else it is a even number. And are you able to understand the logic behind this, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let me run the file.
So if there are
So, guys, please keep in mind whatever values that we have mentioned. 1, comma 45, comma 67, comma 35. So 1 must be odd number, 45 must be odd number, 67 must be odd number. Okay. That means a run file. So odd number. So 1 is odd number, right? So
Okay.
what about 45? Is 45 is odd number, guys?
No. Even?
it
Is
would be
45 is odd or even number?
what
Odd.
Okay. Then what about 35?
35 is also odd.
Okay. What about 45?
45 is odd.
Okay. Then what about 48?
48 is even.
Even number, right? Then what about 34?
4 is even.
Come again. What about 34?
34 is even.
Okay, even number. Then what is the next number?
28.
28.
That's a even.
Is it a even or odd number, guys?
Even.
Even.
Okay. So this is called as if condition, guys. Are you able to understand the if condition? Any doubts in if condition and array concept? Are you good? Are you able to understand the concept, guys? If condition and array.
Give one more example.
What Srisha?
Can you give another example?
Okay. So let's take another one. Shisha Virat Sayar. Okay. So I'm going to use another for each. For each item in test 2. Okay. For each item in test 2. If my value item dot contains of item dot contains of what is the value? So if the value is RPA and batch 6 means I have to throw like it is not a name. Okay. So that is what I am going to do. RPA. What is the use of R, guys? R condition. Hello?
This one.
Have you seen the gates? Okay. R means, so consider I am having two conditions. Okay. Condition 1 and condition 2. Okay. Condition 2. So if my condition 1 is it's for R gate, okay, or criteria. Okay. So if my condition is true, okay, then my condition 2 is false. What will be my output?
So what you typed there?
So have you studied the gates like AND gate, OR gate? So it is nothing but, so if it is OR gate means if any one of the condition is true means it will return the value as true. Okay. Even if it is like this means it will go like this. And true, it will display the output as true. True. And if my output is false, and here also it is false means it will return a false value. Here if it is true, then the condition 2 is also true means it will return the value as true. Sorry, are you able to understand this concept, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let me open up another sequence for your understanding about OR gate. Okay, I will drag a message box activity. Okay, I equal to 5 or equal to 6. What will be my output base here? Just take the NAND gate.
Sorry.
NAND gate criteria. So pi equal to 5 means the condition is true. Okay.
True.
Then pi equal to 6. What do you mean by 5 equal to 6? It is a false criteria, right?
Yes.
So what happens if I try to OR true and false? What will be the output?
True. It will display true.
Let me run this file. So it is a true. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make it as pi equal to 6 and pi equal to. Okay, what will be my output here? Just go to the gate. Pi equal to 6 means the condition is false.
False.
Then what about pi equal to 5? The condition is true, right? So what happens if I try to OR pi false and true? What will be the output?
True.
True. Okay. Virat, are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Virat knows everything, sir. I have to type, so I have to.
Okay. So what happens if I try to OR two false conditions? What will be the output?
Then it will display the false.
Okay.
False.
So are you able to understand the OR gate?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let's talk about the AND gate. AND gate. Condition 1 and in general, at what instance we will use AND?
To combine two sentences, two words,
So if I try
two
to
sentences.
and two different condition means it will return a false value. Okay. Means so condition 1 and condition 2 means both must be true means it will return a true value. Okay. If both are if any one of the item is false means it will return a false value. Means it is false. It is true and true means it is true means it is true value. If it is a false means it's a false value. Okay, got it, guys? Are you able to understand this? What is the difference you notice between R and AND?
It will check true or false. According to that, it will display the true. Here in condition 1 and condition 2, it will see true and false, both the conditions. Then only it will display the statement.
Okay,
According to that.
1 minute, please.
Yeah.
Guys, any doubts in AND and OR gate? Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let me do AND. What will be the output here?
False.
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 Super is false.
Because one is false and another is true.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Okay, let us start.
It's updating. So
Okay, are you clear with the if concept and array of strings, right?
yes,
Guys,
yes.
are you clear with the
Yes.
concepts array and if and get or get?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so now we are going to move on to the next topic that is named as while and do while. While condition and do while condition. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so we are going to talk about while. What do you mean by while? Any idea?
So,
While.
as per I know, it means like until the condition is true or false, do the thing whatever inside that while.
Okay, so now what I
Once
am
the
going to do
condition is
is
met.
I am going to create a variable. Okay, extract as an activity. Then here in the variables, what I am going to do is I am going to create a variable as count. Okay, count, and the variable type is integer. Okay, now I am going to give a condition as count is equal to 0. Okay, now here what I am going to do is count value greater than what does it conveys? Can anyone explain this? Hello?
Yes. So I think it's if count is less than 10, then it will enter the body.
Okay. So here I am going to give another assign and a message box. Okay, here I am going to mention as count equal to count plus 1. Okay. So here I'm going to give like uh, the value of count plus 1. So what is the error it is showing guys? So how can I convert an
Error.
integer into string?
Two dot two string.
Not to string. Okay. So let me run this file. Let's see how many times it will be getting executed. I just gave the run file command. So the first time the value of the count is 0 means what happens is the condition is getting executed. The first time the count will be 0, right? So the condition will be 0 less than 10. Is that true?
Yes.
So it will enter into the body of the loop. There it mentioned like the value of the count is and the count value is 0. Okay. Then the next time it will again enter into the loop. Okay. So here count I increase the value of count to 1, right? So count is equal to count plus 1.
Yes.
The previous value it is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 1 is less than 10. Is that true?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
True.
Now it will be 2, right? Why it is 2?
1 plus 1.
Super. 1 plus 1. So it will be 2. So now it will check the condition. 2 is greater
2
than
is less
10.
than 10.
Sorry, 2 is less than 10. If it is true means it will add count value plus 1.
Yes.
Count is 3. Likewise, it will goes on till
Up to 10. 9.
why at 9th point I am getting the value. I am not.
9.
I am executed from the loop
0.
because 10 is equal to 10, not less.
Less than 10.
Not less than 10, right?
Yes.
So that's why it will be terminated from the loop. Let me run this
Yes.
again. So now I am going to give the value as what will be the output?
Yeah, 1 is less than 2.
So the first time it will enter into the body of the loop.
Yes.
This the count is equal to 1. Then again it will check the condition and it will enter the body of the loop. 2. Then what happens? Because here they are mentioning as greater than less than 3, right? So if it is 3
Yes.
means 3 equal to 3, right? Not less than 3. So the condition is false.
Yes.
So what is looped away from the particular while condition? Okay. So count is okay. So what will be the output here, guys?
It doesn't enter into the loop.
Are you sure?
Yes. That is more than 3, right?
No, it will not enter.
Are you sure, guys? Shall I run it?
No, it will go. in-
No, it doesn't enter. That's great. You learned this. Uh, okay. So any doubts in while loop, guys?
No.
Are we good to go to another do while loop?
Yes.
Okay, so this is my while loop, and now I am going to drag a do while. So what is the condition I given here? Count is greater than 3. The same condition I am going to give here as well. Count greater than 3. So I'm going to drag a message about activity. Do while. Do while count value. Count value is will I get output from do while, guys? Actually the same condition I given here as well. Okay. So count greater than 3. Here also I mentioned like count is greater than 3. Will I get output from do while?
I
Hello?
think it should work, right?
Yeah, let's check. Srisha, what is your idea? Whether it will work or not?
No idea.
Why it is working?
Then
Actually, the condition is false, right?
yes.
But I think
But
in do what before you first execute the statement
Yeah,
inside the body, and then you go for the condition.
condition. Yeah. Actually, the concept behind do it is first it will execute the body of the loop. Okay. Once it completed the body of the loop, it will check for the condition. So if the condition is true, means it will again iterate to the next loop. So if the condition is false, means it will terminate the loop. Okay.
okay.
So are you able to find the similarities between while and do while?
Yes.
Okay. Are you good, right?
Yes, I am.
So I'm going to give you some assessment guides in this. Okay.
Okay.
So our next class will be Friday evening your night, right? So
Yes.
within that time, I want you guys to complete some assessments in this.
Sure, sure.
So what are the concepts we have seen today?
Arrays,
Okay,
array
arrays.
of strings, array of integers.
What do you mean by
And
array of Boolean?
what is
What do you mean by array of Boolean?
Boolean? It will true or false, right?
Yeah, yes. Array of Boolean means
It will, I mean, it will display the true or false, whether the given, I mean, input is true or false. It will check.
okay. Yeah, carry on, guys. So, what are the topics we have seen as of now today?
For each loop is there.
Okay.
If and else, while, do while.
Virat, your voice is little low, Virat. Srisha, are you able to hear Virat properly?
No, that is the problem for me also.
Yes.
Actually,
For
We
each
are
loop
hearing
was
some air sound from your end, Virat.
yeah, I think some,
this is true. Are you able to hear me now?
yeah,
Yes, Virat, I'm able to hear you now.
Yeah. So we learned so far it's that for each loop was there, if and else,
Okay.
while loop, and do while.
Well, okay. So, do you have any difficulties in these concepts?
up to now, no side.
Okay, guys, let's see how we were clear. I will give you some assessments in each and every topic that I
Okay.
want you to complete. Okay, so please complete that so that I will know whether you are able to follow this particular session or not. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, guys.
And
Do
it's
you have any doubts as of now?
so Prayat, is it okay to send the assignments on WhatsApp, right?
So,
Yes, you can send it. What you can do is just take a screenshot of the workflow like this.
okay,
Give
okay.
print screen means
Yes, yes,
you
I
will
do.
be able to print, right? Then you can share it as an image. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, Brad, got what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super, Brad. Okay, Srisha and Virat. So actually we are going little slow this week. Okay, from the next week onwards we will pick up. Okay. So this is just a very basics of UiPath. Not only UiPath for each and every programming language. It is the basic thing. While, do while, if condition, arrays, and these are the basic concepts. So for that concept alone, we are moving little slow. So once we done with the basic concepts, we will speed up. Okay.
Okay. And Syed, will these topics will helpful in the project while we landed in job?
What's Srisha?
Will these topics, I mean, if condition, while condition, will these topics helpful in the project?
Yes, Srisha. So in real time scenarios, we are supposed to get some data from a website. So in that website, we are supposed to check whether a particular word is present or not. If the word is present, means we are supposed to do this task. If the word is not present, means we are supposed to do this task like that.
Okay.
Okay.
But no need of writing code, right?
Yes, Trisha. We will use all the three loops: while loop, do while, for each, if loop.
Mhm. Mhm.
So these basic loops we will use in our projects, Trisha.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. And one more thing, Syed, I told you, right, last week you gave assignments. I did that one. I don't know where I can see those assignments. I mean, that's task.
What's Trisha?
Last time you gave some task, right? Some assignments.
Yes.
And I did that assignments. I want to show you, but I don't know where it's saved or where can I see those tasks.
Please share your screen, Trisha. Let me
Yes.
stop my screen share.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Are you getting, did you saw my screen, please?
Yeah. Yes, Trisha.
Mm,
So,
yeah. So where can I
give
see
me
my earlier task, what I
one
did?
minute, Trisha. Just
Yeah,
give me.
sure.
Srisha, just share your screen, not only UiPath, just share your screen, entire screen. Please stop the share and share the entire screen.
Okay.
If you click on share means it will show screen, right? Just click on the screen.
Okay. Yeah, now is it coming?
Yeah, yes, now it is okay.
Oh.
Control. Okay, so just go to this libraries folder where you will be see a document folder. Then
Okay.
you will be having a folder that is named as UiPath, right? Just click on it.
Yes.
And what is the name of the folder you have created?
I
RPA,
gave
right?
RPA. Yeah, that is. Yeah, integer.
Integer, boolean,
Yes.
string. Yeah. So this is how you are supposed to open this particular thing. And another
Okay.
method is just click on the home button.
Okay.
There you will be seeing the list of things that you created as of now. Here you created RPA, right? So if
Yes.
you click on RPA means it will be shown like this.
Okay, but it is showing only this one. Yeah,
So
here
just go
the
to
boolean.
projects, you will be having
Oh,
strings.
okay, got it.
Okay. String, then integer, boolean. Okay, super. That's great, Shisha. Great one.
Okay, so here we can see. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Cool, Shisha. Keep going like this, okay? Don't stop.
Okay.
Yeah, how about Viratji? Viratji, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yeah, I think I already sent screenshot to you for this assignment.
What, bro?
For a previous assignment, I already sent you the screenshot.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I will share the assessment in couple of minutes, and as well as I will also share the recordings for your reference. Please go through it and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay.
Sure.
Please ping me at any time if you need any if you have any doubts and clarifications. Okay.
That's so great. Thank you, Sayed.
Okay, guys. Take care. Bye. Have a great
Yeah.
Christmas.
Have a good day.
Is Saturday for you, right, guys?
Today?
Christmas is on Saturday, right, for you?
No, Friday. Yeah, Friday.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay. Bye, Sayed.